Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is a notice which is floating over the social media channels, mostly on telegrams, groups, and as for it, it's kind of cutting of a notification which says that the NEET PG 2023 application form is published as on or soon will be available on the netboard portal, and as per it the examination is going to happen as on the same date which was mentioned in the tentative schedule, that is 5th of March, and the form will be available 3 p.m. onwards on 5th of January and will be available up to 25th of January. Okay, and then edit window and all those things will be notified, and the prospectus will be also published on the same date. So soon you will able to see the notification available officially on nb.edu.in. Okay, in case you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, so you can book your slot. We can give you some discount also, and under the paid counseling guidance we give you all the guidance starting from now, from the application form filling up until your admission is done in your desired branches. Okay, and we also give you support in your preparation, kind of like mentorship, and how you should target, how you can improve your score and all such things. Okay, so we have been continuously giving an update that the NEET PG is less likely to be postponed because there was no such reason, and soon by morning you can see the notification might be available, and from today 3 p.m. onwards you will be able to do the online registration. Don't jump into the online registration, take some time. We will create detailed video how to do the registration, what are the new things that you need to take care. Okay, so that you don't have to do so many corrections. Okay, so that's it from my side. If you want to contact us, you can contact us on 9319128677, our WhatsApp or our normal call. You can also join our Telegram group. The link is given in the description of the video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.